Now we're adding half notes, but we already know where the 7th and 9th frets are. So let's start with A, and then move to the 7th, and then the 9th fret. One full bar of A. Here we go, all right? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 7th, and then the 9th, back to the 1st. 3, 4, 7, up to 9, down to 2. 3, you got it, yeah. That's a whole note. Now, half note on 7, half note on 9. And this A string is what we call a pedal tone. It stays put. Beautiful.